Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can search on Pinterest by using a picture. So select the search button, which is the second icon on the bottom tab, the magnifying glass icon. Click on the camera next to the search tab right here, and I'm just going to select from my photos. So click on the square that has my media, and I'm just going to select a picture and wait for it to load, and it will detect pictures that are similar to the photo that I sort of searched with. As you can see, there's like a lot that is like the same. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!